In this video, I'll show you how to add video in PowerPoint. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, in order to add the video in your PowerPoint slide, we need to click on the Insert tab, which you can see at the top, and right here we need to click on the option video, which you can see here. And here you will find three options. If you click on online videos, so by this option you can just add any video you want to add from the online source. Like I want to add the video from YouTube, so for that I just need to open the video. Now just copy the link of the video and just paste that into your PowerPoint. Like I just need to paste the link right here, then you will see the video is added. Then just click on insert. Once your video is here, you can just resize it by going to the corner and just put it according to you. But in case if you want to add the videos from your files, for that just again click on video, then click on this device, and here we need to select the video which we want to add. Like it is in my desktop, so I want to add this video. I just need to double click on the video, and yeah, there you go, the video is right here. So we need to resize it by going to the corner. Hold your left click to just resize it according to you. If you want to play this, just click on the play button. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can add your videos in PowerPoint. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me, because it really motivates me. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.